Toyota. Recall: what you need to know to avoid scams. Over 1 million Toyota and Lexus vehicles have been recalled in the United States because of a serious problem. The rear camera can freeze or go blank during reversing maneuvers. This increases the risk of accidents and hitting pedestrians. The news is real. It was announced by NHTSA, the United States Traffic Safety Agency, and confirmed by Toyota itself. But whenever a major recall announcement comes out, scammers appear. Today, I am going to explain the real problem, which cars are involved, and most importantly, how to avoid falling for scams. Let me give you the facts. The defect is a software problem in the system called Panoramic View Monitor that can make the rear camera image freeze, go blank, or simply disappear when you put the car in reverse. Why is this dangerous? Without the camera image, the driver loses rear visibility during maneuvers. This increases the risk of collisions or hitting someone. How many cars? Approximately 1 million in the United States. Which models? Several, including Toyota Camry, RAV4, Highlander, Land Cruiser, Prius, BZ4X, Sienna, and Crown. Lexus models include RX, NX, TX, GX, ES, and LX. Even the Subaru Solterra is on the list. The solution is a free software update at official dealerships. Nobody will charge anything for this. Important note: so far this recall has been officially announced only in the United States. If you are in another country, check the Toyota website for your region or your government portal to see if there is an official announcement there. Now comes the dangerous part: the scams. Every time a major recall news breaks, scammers take advantage. Here is how it works. Scam number 1. The fake message. You receive a text message, instant message, or email saying your vehicle has been called for urgent recall. Come to our shop. The problem is that manufacturers do not make recall notifications through messaging apps or direct messages. Scam number 2. The fake authorized shop. The scammer says they are a Toyota partner and can do the update. You take your car in, and they invent other defects. Your module is burned out. You need to replace the main unit. There will be an electrical short. Result? You pay $2,000 to $5,000 for service that does not exist. Scam number 3. Improper charges. Official recalls are always free. If someone charges for recall service, it is definitely a scam. Scam number 4. Independent shop offering updates. Recalls can only be done at authorized dealerships. Regular repair shops do not have access to the original manufacturer software. Now the most important part: how you protect yourself. Follow these steps. Step 1. Officially verify if your car is in the recall. In the United States, go to NHTSA.gov/recalls and enter your VIN chassis number. In other countries, access the Toyota website for your region or your government recall portal. If it is not on the official list, your car is not involved. Step 2. Ignore unofficial messages. Manufacturers send letters by mail or publish on the official website. They do not send instant messages, text messages, or direct calls asking you to bring the car in. Step 3. Only go to authorized dealerships. If the recall is real, the brand itself will guide you on which dealership to contact. Do not accept recommendations from third parties. Step 4. Recalls are always free. The manufacturer pays. If they charge any amount for correcting the recall defect, leave immediately. Step 5. Be suspicious of extra defects. If you went only to do the recall update and the mechanic says they found 10 serious problems, ask for a written diagnosis and get a second opinion. Step 6. Confirm directly with the manufacturer. If in doubt, call the official Toyota or Lexus customer service and ask if that communication is genuine. To summarize, the Toyota recall is real, but scammers will try to use this against you. Always confirm everything through official channels. Do not rush. And remember, recalls are not charged. If this video was helpful, leave a like, share it with anyone who has a Toyota or Lexus, and subscribe to the channel to avoid falling for scams. See you next time.